Good morning, class. Welcome back to Islamic class, and here I'm your teacher Farah presenting you the lecture on Islamiat. You know that in Islamiat we come to know about Allah, about prophets, about books of Allah, about angels, about namaz, about Quran, and many more things. So today I have come again with a new topic, and that is Islamic months. Yes, we know about the other calendar, about other Islamic months that are January, February, March. Right now, March is going on, but this is basically a Christian calendar we are following. Same as the Christian calendar, we are having 12 months of Islam and we are following them. Right now, Rajab is going to be end, and soon Shaban will be going to start. Maybe it has been started. I'm not sure. It is started actually because we are having, inshallah, next month we are having first rosa, first fast on 13th or 12th of April. There seems on the moon because we used to follow this month on sighting of the moon and uh, according to the moon setup. So today our lecture is based upon on Islamic months. There are 12 Islamic months. What is the first month of the year? The first month of the year is Muharram. And what is the last month of the year? The last month of the year is Zilhaj. In which month do we keep fast? In Ramadan, we used to keep fast. In which month our Holy Prophet ﷺ been born? He was born in the month of Rabiul Awwal. In which month do we celebrate Eid al-Adha and we perform Hajj? We celebrate Eid and we perform Hajj in the month of Zilhaj. Great. And do you know that when our holy prophets, what can we say, grandsons got martyred? He got martyred in the month of Muharram. That is the first month of our Islamic year. And on 10th of Muharram, he got martyred. So this month is very, very sorrowful, Muharram especially. But as you know, that Allah Ta'ala always give us happiness with the sadness. So He has given us Eid. We celebrated Eid al-Fitr in the month of Shawwal. So there are the 4, 5 basic months you should know, and you should know the other 12 months as well. Let me show you the video of our adult channel that is based upon our 12 months of Islamic. You have to watch it carefully. Then I will make a small board of question answers in which you will come to know that what we are going to learn about. So many of the questions will be clear in your mind. Watch the video very clearly, very you can say with full care and attention. So you should come to know that what are the Islamic months and what are their names.
The Islamic months: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, Jamatiul Awwal, Jamatiul Thani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zulhul Qadr, Zulhul Hajj. The Islamic months: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Thani, Jamatiul Awwal, Jamatiul Thani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zulhul Qadr.
Zikr, Zilhaj. Okay. These are our Islamic months: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramzan, Shawwal, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul, and Zikr, Zilhaj. They are basically about 12 months. And what is the first month of the year called? The first month is, you have to just give me 4, 5 question answers. The first month is Muharram. In which month do we celebrate Eid al-Fitr? Or in which month do we keep fast? We keep fast in the month of Ramadan. Okay. In which month do we celebrate our Eid al-Fitr? We celebrate Eid al-Fitr in the month of Shawwal. You should know because after Ramadan, after completing about 29 or 30 rosas, we used to celebrate first 2 days of Eid that lies in the month of Shawwal. And when do we perform? When do we Muslims perform Hajj? They perform Hajj in the month of Dhul Hajj. I think I should have to write Z so it will not give you a trouble to pronounce Zil Hajj. It's basically called Zil Hajj. So these are the four special months, and this is also the last month of the year. I mean, there are 12 months, 12 months. The 12th number is Zil Hajj. The first number is Muharram. We celebrate we celebrate Eid al-Azha in the month of Zilhajj. After performing the Hajj, Muslims celebrate Eid al-Azha. Eid al-Azha is celebrated in the month of Zilhajj. Okay, class. So these are our 12 basic months. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Zilhajj, Zilhajj. I am like mixing them up. It's not supposed to be mixed them up because whenever I start singing or Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, and in which month our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born? He was born in the month of Rabiul Awwal. Okay? And Rabiul Awwal is the fourth month of the Islamic calendar. So, what are the months' names? Yes, you're right. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani. Well, I think so. Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal is the third month. Children, you didn't tell me even. You know, Rabiul Awwal is the third month of the year. Yes. So Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramzan, Zikr, Zilhajj. Zilhajj is basically the last month of the year. We are gonna say them again. Can you please say them again? Muharram. Well, I'm gonna write it here so it will be very easy for you to learn. Muharram, Safar. Third is Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani. Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani. Then Rajab, Shaban. Shaban has been come, I think so. Or if it is today is not actually, it's Shaban. Yes, Shaban has been started. Shaban and Ramzan is going to come very soon. Ramzan and then Shawwal, Zikr, and Zilhajj. Basically, in English, they have some different spellings, but I have written these spellings over here for your pronunciation and for your better understanding, so you will not mix them up. In English, there are different spellings of like Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani. Then, especially, I am telling you about Zikr and Zilhaj has some different spelling. Some of the people say them like this: Zikr and then Zilhaj. Okay, I'm just writing it the way for you that you people can pronounce them well. This is our first month, okay? In Rabiul Awwal, our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born. In Ramadan, we keep fast. In Shawwal, we have the Eid al-Fitr, and in Zilhajj, we celebrated our Badi Eid or Eid al-Azha, as well as we sacrifice animals in the memory of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. I hope, children, that you people could come to know that what are our Islamic months, how do we pronounce them, in which month our Prophet ﷺ born, in which month do we keep fast, in which month do we celebrate Idul Fitr, in which month do we celebrate Idul Adha, and also in which month do we perform our Hajj, also in which month do we sacrifice our animals. This is all about. Please watch this video again and again to make yourself learn well so you could understand that what are your Islamic months and what are their names and how many are they in total. Thank you so much.